Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Look, here we go. What a load of fun. Summer fun. Excuse me. Summer, I believe it's coming back to us, summer. We had it the other week, didn't we, last week? And it's just gone into hiding for a day or two, and then I'm led to believe it's coming back. But anyway, there you go, look. No number plate on. There she is, based on an Ital, I believe, an Ital. It's a great little thing. Brilliant. Right, bonny looking little jobby. There we go, look. So look, well put together, I'll give him that. There we are. Good old engine then, weren't they, really? And comes with a few bits in the back by the looks of it. Mirror wants straightening up, look. 8 wonky mirrors. We've got an IVA manual there, looks like a Bible, that, isn't it? And we've got some spares in the back there. Oh, parking brake. No, I'm winding you up. I don't know why we've got a random brick. It's got handbrake, so I don't know why we've got a random brick. A few bits and pieces, bit of literature to read, odds and sods in there, showing 4 miles. He weren't that impressed with it when he built it then, was he? We have a V5 here with a reg number, owned since 1993, look. Now then, and a bit of all sorts inside here. What we got? We have got old MOT certificates, a chassis plate, an old logbook. There's a few bits and pieces in there, isn't there? You best come down and have a look through and see if there's anything of real interest. It's an NG, that's what it is, an NG. So there you go. Battery's as flat as a pancake. It's going to run into it. It's a good old British Leyland, isn't it? So there you go. Come down, have a closer look, and make your own inquiries. Oh, and Jack says there's some more bits up here, a couple of boxes. Bear with us. Oh, just a few spares.
Yeah, a couple of lines.
Is it actually road registered, Jack?
Don't know. No, I don't know.
No, make your own inquiries there, guys, because obviously we're not wearing any number plates and things, so I don't know whether it is on the road or not, but you're welcome to come up and have a good look round. Thank you.